Hello guys, so today we are going to be making a rainbow bridge. So make sure, but we can't get on unless you click that subscribe button and turn on the notifications and give us a big thumbs up, right? Thumbs up?
Yeah.
So in this video, if more than one people are doing it, each person's going to need 2 glasses of water. And you're gonna each need 1 sheet of paper towel and colored markers. Regular, like you can do Crayola or Crazy Art or whatever you guys use. And we are using water, so we do have a towel because water is messy. So let's get started. If you do not have your materials, pause the video. Okay, ready now?
Wait.
You are going to color this, like the skinny side. See how one side's long, one side's skinny? Well, the skinny side, you're going to color red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Or whatever colors you like, but we're using rainbow. And the other side, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Just about here, right? So just about here. And we will be back once we color that.
When?
We'll be back. So I just finished mine, and it's supposed to look like this. So we're going to wait till Lauren finishes coloring, and then I'm going to help her. We'll be right back. So we're back. As I hold up yours, show them yours. Oh, grab it. Don't hit it. This is mine, and this is hers. So this is what we're going to do. You're going to take your 2 glasses of water, and you're going to dip the ends in. And you're going to dip the other end in, like this. And you can move them closer or farther. Okay. Ready? Put one end in here. And put one end in.
Oh, it actually does look like a bridge. Well,
So it's going to start coming up, and you guys might be able to see it. So we are just going to observe it. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. We're not going to touch it. And now we're just going to watch. So I can see it is slowly coming up. Do not touch. Nope. Do not touch. So the water is going to turn colors. You can't see mine right now, but look at my water. The water looks really cool, but you can't see the water. But if you are doing this right now, can you see the water? I don't know if you can. But the water looks really cool.
Yeah.
Sit up, please.
Look at mine.
The water looks super cool. They'll look at yours in a minute. It's like all swirly. But if you do this, you can see in this one it's swirly. But in this one it's swirly too.
I like this one. This one.
So the colors are slowly starting to come up, okay? So while we are waiting, this video, sit up please. This video is sponsored by Gata Enterprises for all your landscaping needs. Because Gata Enterprises, it does landscaping, and he does lawns, he does trees, he does decks, leaves, all of your landscaping stuff. So if you need help with landscaping and you're sitting outside, he also does fences. If you're sitting outside and you're looking, you're like, I need this fixed, well, he's the one to call. Now let's look back at our rainbow. Look at our rainbow. They're slowly starting to come together. I don't want to touch it. Oh, let's take a look at LJ's. You see that? Hers is going a bit slower, but it's still good.
This one's beating this one.
Yeah. So it might not turn out like a complete rainbow like you wanted, but it's still super cool.
Not a rainbow bridge.
Yeah. It's super cool. So we'll be back once it completely together, okay?
Yeah. Bye. Actually not bye.
Hello. This is taking a lot longer than I anticipated. We're already on 70 minutes. Okay. But it does look super cool. So I'm super happy. It's still the water will spread a bit faster maybe. I know I promised I wouldn't mess with it, but I just have to mess with it. Okay. The whole thing's wet, but the color isn't spreading. So I can see the color starting to sort of come out. The water's like colored. I think Lauren's might turn out better than mine. She's upstairs watching a movie. Why don't I think I'm gonna go get Rebecca and see what she thinks. I know you were in your bedroom. Come on. Okay. Rebecca, let's go. So Rebecca, what do you think of this? I think she likes it. It's super cool. I think she really likes it. Where do you want to sit, Rebecca? Sit right there. Got her to bounce. Don't fall over backwards, honey. Okay. It's still going. If you look like super close, that's what I keep doing, you can see they slowly go together. So I will be back once it's like together because I don't want to keep you guys waiting. It'll be done probably right about now. Okay, so we're gone and they look super cool.
Yeah.
Some spots are still white, but I think that's okay.
Yeah, mine's a little
Okay,
bit.
ready? No, you keep yours and I'll help you with yours.
Whoa.
Okay, so this is gonna be messy. So wait, let me lay down the towel. It's gonna be a bit messy.
Oh.
We do have electronics. Okay.
Yeah, and you're electronics.
Okay, that looks really cool.
Whoa.
I know. Okay, I'm gonna lay it down. Nope, you leave yours in. Oh, well, the water's like brown. I'm gonna go dump it out. Oh, look, Rebecca's still here.
Rebecca?
She didn't fall off the back of the sofa. Come on, Rebecca, you're
Rebecca.
gonna sit down there.
Oh my
Okay.
gosh, I didn't know Rebecca was there.
So we are going to lay Lawrence down and get them all set out, and then you'll see them. Right back. So we're back, and
Yeah.
we have them done. No, don't hold it up. It's a surprise. So they are done. So we're gonna show them to you. Oh, okay. Nope. Move. Ready? So I'm gonna show you mine first. Ready? There is mine. I like it. I think it's super cool. Okay, ready? So my colors did fade a little bit, but that's okay. Okay, ready? Here is Lauren's. Can you see the whole thing? Look. Isn't that super cool? Hers is really cool. Hers is a bit wetter than mine because I got mine earlier. So, I think that was super fun. And make sure you use washable markers because this is a bit messy. Our hands are really blue and dirty, as you can see.
Look at my...
Yeah, look at Lauren. From coloring, she puts her hand down like this on the page. So we are definitely going to do it a couple more times. And we are going to show you ways, once they dry, to create different things. Like you could glue them to a piece of paper and you have a bookmark. So
what if you use glue, paper, and crown, and then you use the hair dryer, and then you glue the crown on, and then you spray the hair dryer on the crown, and then they go.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's another thing that you could do, but we're not going to do that right now. So we might have a part 2,
Yeah.
but for right now, we are going to sign off. So hopefully,
Click the bell button.
yeah, click the bell button. In the next video we make, we will we'll show you what we did with them. So I think I'm gonna create a bookmark. What do you think you're gonna create? I'm gonna create a bookmark.
I'm gonna create a bookmark too. I'm going to type it.
Okay.
Away.
So we are going to be signing off for now. Make sure to click that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and give us a big thumbs up.
And click the bell button.
Yes, make sure you click the bell button so you never miss another video.
Yeah.
Yes.
Bye.
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 Make sure you have a good rest of your day.
Yes.